Hi, what's up everybody? My name is Josh, and today I'm gonna do a paper game called Push the Button. The first things you need is one marker, pencil, anything that you could write with, any color. The next thing you need is a blank piece of paper. Doesn't have to be lined, loose leaf, any type of paper. First step you have to do is make it and bend it in half perfectly. Then bend it the other way perfectly. The whole thing must be even. The next thing, you bend it again. And then the last thing you have to do is, this is the tricky part. Bend it. Could be on any side, could be on this side. You have to write it any side. The first thing you write is make a circle, and then you write push. Push. And you make a circle right there. Then there's a line right there in between. And you write boy on this side. Any side you want, actually. And girl. Next thing you do is write all things that describe a person. Like fat, hug, big, kick. Or in the middle, kill. Next thing you do is write the numbers. How many numbers you want it to be. It could be 1 through 50, as long as you could write on this side. So I'm going to do 1 through 4. You don't need to write underneath here. That's only if you want to write more numbers. And then, on this side, you write boy. And on this side, you see the line? Girl. And then, you write the names over here. Mike. And other names. For example, number 2. Amy. Number 2, whatever. Here's examples. Let's say, okay. No, you fold it like this. The numbers have to be like this, order like we did it. And here we go. Then the person presses push. For example, boy or girl, you press. Then they press hug. Then they pick the number 1. And for boy, they have to hug Mike or hug Amy. And that's it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tell me if you like the idea or not. Comment below. Thank you.